What's up, guys? Welcome back to our video. So I probably have already done one like this. Where I'm looking at wind in Lewes, Delaware. Yeah, I think currently at the time that I'm filming the video, it's around 20 miles per hour. And just to show you how bad it is, it shut my front door. Literally, we can't open it. It doesn't work. Anyway, so it's around 21 miles per hour, I think. And this is not the worst it's supposed to get. Actually, the worst is it's supposed to get. There's 22, and I missed that by a minute. So currently at 31 gusts and 21 wind. I think this is Hurricane Erin, something like that. Like, look at the stop sign when it's dead. Of course, now it's not going to do it since I'm looking at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the American flag. Bet if I leave this down halfway or something, it might hit it. Or if I, what is it? See? Now the wind's going to make me look like a dumb dumb. Yeah, that could be a slight problem. That one's good. Anyway, I'm probably going to have to do like an update video on this, probably like tomorrow or something. Like, something up with the water. This place on. Must have dipped down at 20 miles per hour. Yep. Dipped all the way down to 7 miles per hour. How the hell? Huh? How did that happen? Those big trees moving. Anyway, guys, I think that's going to be it for this one. No, it shut the door. It literally just shut the door. Oh my god, here it comes. You even know only have 2 services. That's fine. Good job, beach. Right. Anyway, guys, I think that's going to be the end. The wind has like slowed down a little. So I guess maybe tomorrow or something. Maybe. Do an updated video if it's worse. Just trust me, guys. It was 22 miles per hour when I started the video. Now it's down to 7. I told you how much one thing changed. Bye!